Good day, YouTube and Facebook. It's Geoffrey Howells Carpet Cleaning here, 7609 Southeast Overland Street, Milwaukie, Oregon 97222, 503-939-0534. Okay, so what we're going to be discussing today is the importance of a pre-vacuum. I get calls all the time, and generally customers are calling just because they're looking for the cheapest price, but they have absolutely no idea what is involved in the cleaning process, what makes one cleaning more or better, higher quality than another. So today I'm just going to discuss the importance of a pre-vacuum. There are a lot of carpet cleaners who do pre-vacuuming, but there's even more that don't. And so what I'm going to do to kind of illustrate what I'm doing here, I'm going to go ahead and remove the Kirby bag from the vacuum cleaner here and dump the contents out into this bucket, just to kind of make a visual representation of what is actually in your carpets. And to the right there, you see the Kirby bag. We cut it open at the top and we dump the contents into this blue bucket here. As you can see, it's got a lot of nasty debris and dust and stuff in there, and it's everything from hair to fine abrasive contaminants. Now you add a little bit of pre-spray to that and you start steam cleaning and you get yourself a real big muddy mess. So, in conclusion, I think it is extremely important that if you're going to be calling around looking for a carpet cleaner, always ask if they do a pre-vacuum, because if they don't, I don't care if the customer has pre-vacuumed or not. I do it anyways because half the time their vacuum cleaners don't even work properly, and that right there is kind of a testament of the nasty stuff that's in there. So that right there is probably about 5 pounds of debris that otherwise would have just been left in the carpeting and turning to mud. So yeah, if you're looking for a carpet cleaner, if you're looking for a professional, one thing that you can do to find the right carpet cleaner for you is just to ask if they do a pre-vacuum. Many of them do, like I said, and many of them, I should say probably about a good 90% or more of them do not do a pre-vacuum. And if they're not doing a pre-vacuum, sure, I could put a deodorizer on that stuff there and it's not going to smell like anything, but it's still going to be in your carpet.